Hi, this is PR Sundar. Welcome to Pre-Market Report, sponsored by taxbuddy.com, a leading tax filing portal in India. US markets actually fell yesterday. Yesterday afternoon, everything was looking green, and then yesterday late afternoon, and everything turned red. And after our market closed, and they turned even more red. Main reason, a number of speakers from the Federal Reserve signaled more rate hikes in the near future. And one of the governors even said the interest rates can go to 5 to 7%. And 7% is just too much for US economy. So people got some kind of a panic, and that created some correction in the stocks. And anyway, the markets last week shot up so much. So this kind of small correction is warranted. But though markets were falling, the VIX did not shoot up. So that shows the conviction among the option sellers that, so this is just a knee-jerk reaction. And as expected, the US markets recovered almost all the losses and closed almost flat with some negative bias. So, one thing is very clear when there are so many speakers from the Federal Reserve spoke about, hawkishly interest rate hike, that was a clearly negative thing for market. But despite that, markets have recovered almost entire loss. So that shows the strength of the market. So right now, US futures are slightly higher and Asian markets are mostly higher. And SGX Nifty, yesterday night, it was down about 100 point almost. And then today morning, I saw it was about 100 point higher. So that is a swing of 200 points. So SGX Nifty always dance to the tune of US markets. But we have to see here. What I observed last 2 days, a very interesting thing. Both days market opened and recovered and traded higher, and close to the end of the day, late afternoon, there was severe selling pressure that brought Nifty down more than 100 point. This has happened day before yesterday also. This has happened yesterday also. So now the $1,000,000 question, will that happen today? So SGX Nifty indicating a slightly higher opening, about 70-80 point. 70-80 point is not a slightly higher, it's a good higher opening. And if it trades firmly, so will there be a good profit booking towards the end of the day? So today we can expect something, all the more reason today is a Friday. And mostly traders will not like to carry the position over the weekend. And especially this weekend is the last weekend in this series. So, people, especially options traders, will like to square up the positions because for Monday onwards, there can be a gamma effect. So, gamma effect means markets moving violently on either side, so option sellers will tend to lose a lot of money. So, therefore, they will like to close the position. So, depending upon what positions they're closing, the markets can make some significant move in the last 1 hour. So today, last 1 hour will be very interesting to see. And another interesting thing today is that, the previous 2 days, day before yesterday and the day before, FIs were net sellers. So that is why some stocks like HDFC Bank, Kotak Bank came under good selling pressure. But yesterday, FIs have turned net buyers. So today, clearly, three stocks which will be in focus is HDFC Bank, and Kotak Bank, and the three worst performing stocks yesterday. So this kind of profit booking is actually required for the Nifty to scale higher. Number one, those people who bought earlier, they're sitting with a good profit. And if it crosses all-time high, they will be sitting with more and more profit, and they will tend to book profit. But instead, they book the profit now, and they are out of the market. So the people who bought, the new set of people, even when Nifty crosses all-time high, they may not be sitting with a very good profit. They'll be sitting with a 2-3% profit. So they will not be in a hurry to book the profit. So that can propel the market even higher. That's one thing. Second thing, a market will always show some kind of a dip, and it make option sellers believe that market will not recover. And in fact, if you see my yesterday's post market report, I also changed my tone. Until day before yesterday, I was bullish. Yesterday evening, I just painted a slightly bearish picture. So the market will make you believe that, now markets have turned down, it will not go up. So it will make you to sell more call options. And then one day, if it gaps up, these call sellers will have to run for cover. So that will propel the market higher. So my stand, is still stays. So I'm expecting all-time high sooner or later. If not this expiry, definitely in the December expiry. So, uh, as I told you, if any dip towards 18,300, it's good to sell some put option few hundred point away. If any rise above 18,000, closer to 18,500, good to sell some call options. And of course, if 18,500 is broken in the spot on the higher side, then better to get out of the call positions. So another thing to say that, in fact, the market for the last many days, it has been stuck in the range of 18,300 and 18,500. So Nifty is finding huge resistance around 18,500 and huge support around 18,300. I think for last 3 trading sessions, it has been like this. And the way SGX Nifty indicating and the global cues are indicating, it looks as if that is going to be the case today also. The more market consolidates and following period, the trending will also be more, whether it can be uptrend or downtrend. So that we have to wait for confirmation. So if everything goes well, it is possible it can be on the higher side, so that Nifty can go to 18,800 to 19,000 level by December expiry. Of course, December expiry, there are 5 weeks. This is a long expiry. And one more thing, for this breakout or breakdown to happen, normally breakout or breakdown does not happen as long as the Nifty future premium is very, very high compared to Nifty spot. And a few days before I saw it was around 70 point, 80 point, 90 point premium. But I think yesterday it has come down. So it will come down, and then, the directional view may happen. However, the December future is still trading nearly 100 point premium to November future. But November future premium over the spot has come down. So let us see what happens today. And global cues are, I would say, flat with a positive bias, but not very high. So that's why SGX Nifty is indicating about 60, 70 point higher. And then as usual, I'm expecting some selling if it goes towards 18,500. I'm talking about Nifty future, not Nifty spot. So let us see what happens. But today I will like to square up my positions in the current series, and I will be looking to take some positions. In fact, yesterday itself I've taken a position. If you are interested, I will let you know one position which I've taken. I bought 18,000 call option in December series, and I sold 18,600 call option, double the quantity. One lot of 18,000 call buy, 2 lots of 18,600 call sell. Then I sold one lot of 17,700 put option. So my lower break even will be downside about 17.7 upside will be about 19,200 or something. I'm talking approximate. So that's a very, very wide range. But of course, along the way, I will be making a lot of adjustments. So this strategy will give better profit if Nifty has been trading between 18,000 and 18,600, and maximum profit will be around 18,600. So I'm pitching my maximum profit at all-time high. And in case if it crosses, I will make some kind of adjustment. So there is no point in discussing my own personal positions, which is of no use. And please understand that I'm not a SEBI registered uh, person. And in fact, yesterday I heard SEBI is working out, some kind of regulation for social media influencers. So if that comes, then so we cannot speak anything. So that's why before that rule comes, we speak just one or two things. So again, disclaimer, I'm not a SEBI registered person. So consult your financial advisor before taking any position. So hope you enjoyed watching this video. Thank you for watching.